Okay, guys, we are watching the instructional video for the slide of how to create a geometric animal or a self-creation of your own, whatever you would want to make. In the space provided, like on the top slide, slide 24 over here, this is going to be the video that you're watching right now. You need to go down to slide 25 and enter in your geometric shape animal. So if I'm going up to the top here of my toolbar and I click on shape, and I click on shapes, there's a whole bunch of geometric shapes in here that I can use to create my animal. So here's a 6-sided shape, 8-sided shape. So we got, a pentagon, hexagon, octagon, triangles in here and all sorts of things. So I'm going to use my circle and I'm going to start to create my animal that I want. Now it pops up gray to start with. If you click on that area, you can change the fill color. Let's say I wanted like a brownish looking cat. I could do that by picking on a fill color. So I can also adjust and make it bigger if it wasn't quite as big as I wanted it to be. So there's the first part of my head for my cat. And now I'm going to put on some ears. And usually cat ears are kind of triangular. So I'm going to put on some triangular ears as well. So I'm looking for something that would look like a triangle, adding ears. And then I can rotate the ear just like this. Okay. So I'm going to rotate the ear. And then if I want the same exact size of ear as I have on this side here, I can actually copy that ear and copy. And then if you command or control V will paste it, or you can just click on it and paste with a right click as well. So there's my ears kind of going in for my cat. And we want them to kind of be the same distance apart. Now I'm going to change the color of my ears to that brown color as well. So I'd click in here, go to the brown color, and same thing here with a brown color. And now I have two ears kind of going on. And I'm going to adjust that a little bit back. There, that looks a lot better. And then this one, I'm going to adjust it back. Perfect. So now I have my two ears going on, so you can start to see the point for my cat. Now I'm going to go for another shape, and I'm going to go with a circular eyes for my cat. So right there, and then I would want to copy that. So right click copy, and then you can click on this area here and then click paste as well. So now I have two eyes that are the same. Notice this red line that kind of pops up that is cutting through my other eye area. That is where my eyes would end up lining up, and I can move them apart or closer together. And then is with the eyes, you would have your kind of um, eyes in the background, and then if you looked at an animal's eye, you would still see its irises. So you can add another circle inside of there. And if I wanted to zoom in, let's say that it's kind of small for me to see, so I'm going to zoom in. 100% didn't quite do it, so I'm going to go to 200%, and then I can kind of see it a little bit better and fine tune. So I'm going to add some eyes in there once again. If you mess up on anything, you can hit this back arrow and it'll take you back to what you started at. So I'm going to add some kind of smaller eyes. And then I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to paste that there. And I'm going to go ahead and stick those eyes inside. And I want to go a little bit bigger than that. So I'm kind of putting the pupils in here. I can kind of fine tune this a little later too. So I want the cat to be looking like it's looking down. That's something, maybe a ball. Did you see how that kind of lined up there, where you could see that there was two kind of lines that are saying that both eyes are the same size? So now I'm going to change my cat's eye color, and I'm going to that fill color. And my cat's eye color when I was growing up, it had like kind of like an amber look. So I'm going to go with kind of like an amber kind of look going on there. So amber looking eyes, and then let's see here. It's kind of looking over to the side, and then black pupils in the middle. So I'm going to try to do that as well. And boy, am I having a lot of fun doing this. Let's see here, fill color. We want to go black on this one. We want to copy this. Must not have copied that. Copy. There we go. Then I can kind of delete that. So now I'm starting to get my eye color, and then for a nose, maybe I'm going to go with like a rectangular nose, you know, kind of long rectangular nose. Like that maybe. And then I'm going to go with more of like a pinkish color for my nose. Push that up. And then I'm going to go with another shape. I'm going to go with, I believe in here there's the half circle or moon kind of look. There it is. And maybe a mouth about that big, and then I can rotate it. That kind of looks funny. All right, let's see here. Rotate it a little bit more. There, and then I'm going to fill in. I'm going to fill that part in with, let's see, I'm going to go with white just to brighten it up. There. Then I kind of have my cat started. I'd probably add some whiskers off to the side, and I would adjust this in here because as we zoomed in, you can notice that the ears are kind of looking a little bit different there. So kind of like that. Perfect. Anyways, that's kind of how you make your geometric animal. It's up to you how extensive you want to make it and then adding in, but you're going to add it into this slide 25 just like we did right there. I hope you guys have fun. Enjoy.